I just made $30,000, and this could change your life. I still can't believe it. I just made $30,000 using this exact method, and honestly, it was way easier than I ever imagined. That's real money hitting my account. Now, if you think I'm the only one making money like this, think again. There are tons of people out there doing this exact same thing, and some of them are making even more than I am. Want proof? Check this out. There's a YouTube channel called Living Wisdom that's using the exact same strategy. And according to Social Blade, they're making a mind-blowing $116,000 per month. Yeah, you heard that right. $116,000 every single month. But let me tell you something. That number? It's probably even higher. Social Blade only estimates YouTube AdSense revenue. But what about sponsorships, affiliate deals, brand partnerships, and other revenue streams? They're probably raking in way more. 4 million views, huge profits. Let's break it down. Even if you don't believe they're making that much money, one thing is undeniable. They're getting over 4 million views every month. And trust me, 4 million views? That's enough to make some serious life-changing money. Now here's something even crazier. If you actually go to their channel, you'll notice that they aren't even pulling in that many views per short. Just 3.4K, 12K, 6.8K, 16K views per video, yet they're still making hundreds of thousands of dollars. How? It's because they've mastered YouTube automation. And the best part? I'm about to show you how to do the exact same thing. You don't need experience. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to do any of the work yourself. Step 1. Unlocking YouTube's money-making system. Now, to monetize with AdSense, YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. But here's the good news. You don't need to wait to start making money. In fact, you can start earning immediately, even from your first video. How? Stick with me because I'm about to break it all down. Step 2. Choosing the perfect niche. The secret to going viral. Now grab your phone, laptop, whatever you're using. You're following along step by step with me. I'm about to hand you the 3 most profitable and viral-friendly niches on YouTube. 1 history fact.
Niche.
People love learning history in bite-sized chunks. Look at Jabriel Sagas. They're racking up tens of thousands of views per video using this exact strategy. 2 random facts niche. This niche is viral gold. People can't resist clicking on crazy surprising facts. 3 AI storytelling niche. Everyone loves stories, and AI-generated ones, they're absolutely captivating. Pick one right now, because we're about to move to the next step. Oh, and if you love making money online, hit that subscribe button right now. I drop 3 videos a week with simple, powerful ways to make money online. Step 3. Creating viral videos without doing any work. Here's the part that blows people's minds. You don't need to film. You don't need to edit. You don't even need to write scripts. AI does everything for you. I've partnered with videye, today's sponsor, to show you just how insanely easy this is. videye is an AI-powered tool that writes full scripts in seconds, creates complete videos with text, visuals, voiceovers, generates pro-level narration, no recording needed, finds perfect visuals automatically, optimizes everything for YouTube Shorts, TikTok Reels. Let me show you how it works. 1. Go to videye, sign up, takes 30 seconds. 2. Click, create new project. 3. Choose faceless shorts. 4. Pick a niche, select a narrator. Boom, AI generates a full video for you. Once done, you can edit the script if needed, add background music effects, pick cinematic, animated, or realistic visuals. Download, upload it to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. That's it. No editing, no filming, AI does everything. Step 4. Scaling to $30,000 plus per month. Here's the real secret to making big money online. It's all about volume. The more videos you post, the faster you grow and the more money you make. Here's how you can scale up fast. Post 3 AI-generated videos daily. Only takes 10 minutes. Run multiple YouTube channels, more cash. Leverage Instagram, TikTok to triple your views. Monetize beyond YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate deals, more. And here's the math. To hit $30,000 per month, you only need 5 million views. Now that might sound like a lot, but when you're posting 3+ videos daily, it adds up fast. Final step. Join my Telegram channel, link in the description, where you'll get exclusive editing materials and insider info on the best AI tools, absolutely free. Need a personal guide on any topic? Feel free to DM me on Telegram. Hey, see you soon!